What's up guys, Tim from Heavy Metal Off-Road. Today I want to show you how to touch up any of your powder coated heavy metal off-road products with the touch up paint bottle. Alright, so what we've got here is our Cardinal paint and powder coat acrylic paint touch up kit. This stuff here is color matched to all of the powder coated products that we send to you. It is a standard acrylic black from Cardinal paint and powder. And we have a local guy that does it, and he does a great job. Very happy with them. And it's very good coating products. They're strong, durable, shiny. They'll last a while. But sometimes they may get gouged or scratched or roughed up or whatever. So I include these little bottles in some of the products, and as well as they're available individually online. And it's just kind of like a nail polish type thing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna give it a good shake for a minute, crack open the bottle, and you will see it dripping right there. That is the color matched paint. So keep that lid closed when you're not using it. Let's touch up what we've got over here. Okay, so these bed bars are powder coated, but they got scratched. Something dragged against them pretty hard, although it's not too deep. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. All right, so we're gonna loosen up our bottle here and get some of the excess off so it's not dripping. There we go. And we're gonna very gently just touch, touch, touch. Try to make it uniform, make it smooth. I mean, you barely even need a drop to accomplish what we're trying to do here. And this comes in a 1 ounce bottle, so you'll be able to do many touch-ups. There, now that looks covered. Get all of the extra everything off of the brush, and we'll do a final little brushing of it. Try to keep a smooth hand here, steady. If you get a drop on here like I just did, just go ahead and wipe that up real fast, because it will dry pretty quickly. Now that everything is touched up and painted, we'll go ahead and let it dry. All right, so it's been about an hour and a half, and the paint is dry to the touch. And you can hardly tell that it was even painted. You can get real close, you can see it, but the color match is absolutely impeccable. Doesn't look too much different than what's going on this bar here. Okay guys, quick video today, so ending it here. Subscribe and click the notify button. Check out one of these videos here on the screen. Check out heavymetaloffroad.com for all your accessory needs. Instagram, Facebook, and until next time, grab life by the rocks.